This person thinks you are hot, hot, hot. When they first laid eyes on you, they was like blown away. Oh my gosh. I mean, absolutely blown away. But the thing is with this person, they are very, very good at disguising not only what they're feeling, but they're thinking. They are a master of disguising their true feelings. You don't see this person showing interest in you. You don't see them giving you the eye. This person is very, very discreet in how they are, I guess, feeling about you, but also trying to show you they want you to know without actually telling you. It's a very weird energy in the cards, but I think you know. Like, I feel that you know that they like you, but it's not been said. And they don't want to outwardly let you know they like you. I'm seeing this person is slightly younger than you, and I'm seeing somebody who has fair hair, so that could either be them or you. I'm also seeing somebody who is not just kind of controlling how they feel and think about you, but I feel like that is their demeanor. Their demeanor is very put together, and it's very kind of, how do I put this? This person is just very kind of together, and that is their demeanor. This person's very masculine. They're a divine masculine energy. I am seeing as well someone has dark hair in this, and also I'm seeing like a hazily brown eye. I'm seeing that somebody is quite tall as well, so that could either be that you're the tall one or them. So you could be tall for a lady, or they're just a tall male. I also feel like there's children. Someone has children here, and I'm also seeing there's something around trees or woods. So either you live by trees or woods, or you walk through trees and woods, or you run through trees and woods, but I'm seeing a wooded area is connected. This person's very focused on you. You know, you're coming up as the Lovers card here. Also the Two of Cups and the Ten of Cups come out. So this person really has, they don't just fancy you, like they think you're hot. They're like, oh my gosh, they are just exactly my cup of tea. But there is also some kind of emotional attachment, and this person does think about you when they're not with you, and they hope to bump into you, they hope to see you, they want to see you. I also feel that this person views you as the divine role, the divine feminine. So they probably respect you and look up to you in some way, whether that be how you are physically, mentally, emotionally, the kind of work that you do. There is this energy of you being in a divine feminine role. You're also coming up as a wish fulfillment here, and what I feel with this is that there's something about your look. So it's not just that you are hot, they think that you're hot, and they you know, they respect you and they like what you do, but it's something about your look that is either like you are, if they was to write down what their type was aesthetically, you would tick all the boxes. Or if they was to, or maybe they fancy someone or had liked someone as a child, like they had their poster up on the wall, or you know, like an actor or an actress that they fancy. Like I'm talking about your look has just got them kind of sideways. There's loads more here, so I'm going to take this to a part 2.